Want to use your Spectrum mobile device on another carrier? Here's how unlocking works. Spectrum Mobile locks its devices to their network, but you can unlock them if you meet certain criteria. For postpaid accounts, you're eligible after 60 days of activation, provided your account is in good standing with no outstanding balances and the device hasn't been reported lost or stolen. If you finance the device, it needs to be fully paid off first. Prepaid accounts become eligible after 12 months of continuous service with an active account in good standing. Also, your device must be compatible with the network of the carrier you want to switch to. Devices involved in fraud or those locked for security reasons are ineligible. Make sure to check these points to see if you can unlock your phone. First, verify your unlock status through your Spectrum account online or via the My Spectrum app. This ensures your account is eligible for unlocking. Next, you'll need your device's IMEI number. Simply dial *06 on your phone to display it on screen. Make sure to write this number down. Now submit your unlock request. You can use Spectrum's online portal at spectrum.net, the My Spectrum app, or call customer support at 1-800-267-6789. Select Unlock Device and enter your IMEI number. After submitting, you'll get a confirmation email. The unlock process usually takes 24 to 48 hours. During this time, Spectrum unlocks your device remotely. Once your device is unlocked, insert a SIM card from your new carrier. Power on your device and follow the activation prompts that appear on screen. If your unlock request is denied, you can appeal via email to Spectrum or contact the FCC if you believe it violates their rules. Avoid third-party unlocking services as they can void your warranty. That's it. Once completed, enjoy the freedom of using your Spectrum mobile device on any compatible network.